But as with any revolution, the path forward is paved with obstacles. This all sounds inevitable, right? A clean, straight line to a tokenized future. But the reality is far messier. The tokenization revolution faces a minefield of challenges, and any one of them could cripple its progress. First, and most importantly, is the regulatory maze. The laws governing assets were written a century ago for a world of paper certificates and handshakes. How do you apply them to a token on a global borderless ledger? The Howey test in the US, which determines if something is a security, is a legal minefield. Regulations are a fragmented patchwork across jurisdictions, creating massive uncertainty for issuers and investors. This isn't a small problem. It is arguably the single largest impediment to mainstream adoption. Second is the technical minefield. Smart contracts are powerful, but they are also brittle. A single bug or exploit in the code can lead to catastrophic financial losses, as we've seen countless times in DeFi hacks. And then there's the oracle problem we mentioned earlier. If the oracle is manipulated or feeds bad data to the blockchain, the entire system breaks down. The on-chain token becomes worthless, regardless of the blockchain's security. The system is only as strong as its weakest link to the real world. But perhaps the most profound challenge is the centralization paradox. Crypto's founding ethos was decentralization, removing the need for trusted intermediaries. But RWA tokenization, by its very nature, reintroduces them. You need a centralized custodian to guard the physical asset. You need lawyers to structure the legal claim. You need an issuer to mint the token. This creates a hybrid trust model. It means your on-chain token is ultimately reliant on the competence and integrity of these off-chain entities. What happens if the custodian goes bankrupt?